Want to learn how to do the perfect holiday side braid? You gotta watch this video. So today we're gonna do a blingy side ponytail. You know, they say diamonds are a girl's best friend, and bling is sort of like your cousin that you're kind of close with. So I'm gonna add a clip-in extension right at the base of my neck to get a lot of length and fullness. Okay, Rapunzel is shaking. She just texted me. She's furious. Now I'm just gonna use an elastic and secure my hair into a side ponytail. Okay, so my side ponytail is secured. I feel like an 80s businesswoman that owns 51% of this company. So I just went to my local craft store and bought this blinged out fishnet, okay? And we're just gonna braid this into our side ponytail. So I put the fabric into the elastic, and now I'm just gonna add a hairpin to really secure it. And now we're just gonna do a simple 3-strand braid, except one of the sections, instead of hair, we're gonna use the blingy material. And now I'm just gonna grab a smaller section of the fabric and wrap it around the base of the ponytail like this. And now I'm just gonna tuck in this end piece into the braid. And voila, a perfect holiday side blingy braid. Okay, I feel like Elsa. I never saw Frozen, but I feel like I'm in Frozen. Brr. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I know I did. And if you want to see more videos like this, follow me at Clayton Hawkins. Until next time, happy holidays, and I'll see you in 2021. Woo! See ya. You know, if you had told me a year ago, Clay, you're gonna be spending this holiday season with a glass cat, I would have said, that sounds right. Yeah, that sounds like something I would do.